Hi everyone, welcome to week 11. It is so hard to believe that we are working our way towards the end of the semester. I hope everyone had a really great week, and this is really the start of the time period in which we're going to be working on those signature assignments. So we'll still be going through the textbook. So this week you'll need to read chapter 13 and 14. And we're going to be looking at those non-communicable diseases as well as cancer, and really looking at different models that are associated with health behavior change. We're going to look at different types of prevention strategies, and really how this impacts overall health, both on a nation level as well as a global level too. So you'll need to read chapter 13 and 14 and take the quizzes. And then this is where we start part 1 for the research project. So this is a signature assignment. So in addition to right here, every single assignment that's associated with the signature project, you can also find right here. So signature project or research project, you can click in there and it will take you to the entire outline of the project. So for this first step, you're only going to be giving a brief response to these 4 questions right here. You do not have to do any peer responses, so it's really just to allow you to fill in your answers. So everybody should be assigned. You'll go through and find your name and which topic you have been assigned. If you do not find your name, please let me know. I would recommend doing this sooner rather than later because this is going to be your topic over the next few weeks. So you'll need to identify what the topic is you were assigned. Are you familiar with the topic? And explain why if yes or why if not. What do you think you will find? And then who do you think are the highest and lowest achieving nation in this topic? Don't research it yet. It's really just a guess. And when I say nation, that means country. That does not mean the South America or Europe. You have to identify an actual country that's associated with which you think is going to be highest and lowest. So for example, you could say, maybe one of the topics you think Sweden is going to be the highest, and you think Nicaragua is going to be the lowest. And so that's what you would state. And it's really very simple, just putting down a guess. So it's not something that you're going to get right or wrong. And then finally, you have the option to do a extra credit discussion board. So it's really just a personal reflection, especially because in an online environment, we don't really get a chance to interact a whole lot with who we are personally. So really want to make sure that we're able to develop those connections and really have a place for you to reflect and provide some insights. So these are the questions that you'll need to answer. And so these are 40 points, and then additionally reply to at least 2 of your peers, and that's really to incorporate that engagement piece. So up to you if you would like to participate in this extra credit, but it's really a way for you to be interacting with each other, and I think especially as we've moved forward, we're well into the semester. There's a lot of topics that, we've been talking about that can be really provide a lot of insight, and there's a lot of thoughtfulness. And so I want to make sure that you're able to interact with each other regarding those. But in order to receive full points, everything needs to be answered thoroughly, longer than 1 sentence. It should be well thought out. And as always, be respectful and courteous to each other as you're responding. So make sure that it's, genuine and you're treating each other with respect in your responses. So that is what we will be working on this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a really great week. Thanks.